Hello and welcome! Today we are making my all-time favorite guacamole recipe. This dish is not only incredibly easy to make, it is also highly nutritious. All you need is to chop and combine a few fresh ingredients and you're good to go. To select ripe avocados, make sure their color is dark green or almost black. The skin texture should be bumpy. You can also gently press with your thumb. It should have a slight give but not feel mushy. If it feels soft and mushy, it is overripe. And because everyone has been doing that at the supermarket, make sure to wash your produce when you bring it home. For 3 avocados, we need a quarter chopped onion, about 1/3 cup. You can use red or white onion. Guacamole has been a staple in Mexican cuisine for centuries. Its origins can be traced back to the Aztecs, who were the first to cultivate avocado trees and incorporate them into their food. Same amount chopped tomato. You can use a jalapeno or serrano pepper depending on how spicy you like it. Serrano has more heat than jalapeno. I'm using serrano because I like it spicy. About 1 tablespoon finely chopped pepper. 2 cloves garlic. If you don't have a grater, you can use a knife to chop finely. 1/3 cup fresh cilantro. To cut the avocado, make a slice lengthwise until you can feel the pit. Carefully go around with the knife. First time I had an avocado, I was living in Zimbabwe in my 20s. I thought I was in paradise eating some kind of forbidden fruit. It was so good. Gently twist it open. To remove the pit, use a paper towel to slide it off the knife. Gently mash the avocado with a fork. You can also use a potato masher if you have one. Not to forget the lime. Roll the lime with a gentle pressure to release the juices. 1½ limes or to taste. I'd say roughly 1 tablespoon lime juice per avocado. And salt. I like to keep it a bit chunky. And that's it. Wow, this is so delicious. I hope you'll give it a try. Thank you so much for watching. Please give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. Hope to see you next time.